So here I am drinking a cup of tea. Never start any project without having a cup of tea. As you can see, I'm a bit of an idiot and trying to find out how this wheel goes on. Me fitting in a tube and then working out whether the wheel's directional, which it wasn't. So start off, everything was going fine. A little bit struggling, and and then this is where I realised it ain't gonna go on very easy. I'm pushing, sticking things in there to try and put it on, nothing. I'm losing the will to live at this point, and squeezing and pulling and pushing it in. I wasn't having any of it. Another cup of tea just to try and work out what to do. I think the wheel was dead and I'm trying to revive it. Squeezing it and pushing it, pulling it, just isn't working. I'm questioning myself. I think at this point I was ready to throw the wheel across the garden, start effing and blinding and go and have another cup of tea. I'll give up at this point. I have a cup of tea and then come up with a little plan. And this is the tip, this is the top tip. Very liquid, lubrication. Anyone that says lubrication's for pussies and assholes is mistaken. It's great for putting tyres on wheels. So just basically a bit of fairy liquid, run it around the inside of the tyre. Just make sure it's slippery, don't go drown it. Put your tyre in, and it literally just pops. Literally, it's so easy. I was there for a good 10 minutes trying to get that in, and it weren't having none of it. Put fairy liquid on, and it just, within seconds, it was on. So that is my top tip. This is me for all you people that way inclined. No, I'm not f***ing off a tyre. I do change grip because that's what I like to do halfway through pumping off a tyre. But there you go. That is the wheel, the tyre on the wheel. And it was really easy once I worked out use fairy liquid. Thanks for watching.